Take a ride in the 2018 Lincoln MKC. The Lincoln MKC is a stylish and nimble handling luxury crossover vehicle. With a long list of standard features, the MKC is sure to please. The exterior and interior offer a contemporary look that is sure to turn some heads. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, keyless entry, power liftgate, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, floor mats, cruise control. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.